But for some time now I've been looking for a sign, and no, not from him up there neither, although that would help. One of these signs. I've been looking for a sign because I want to put a sign up there showing my Yorkies world, if you like. I'm not sure what to put up there. I thought about different ways. I thought about Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech, but I think that's too long. So I thought I'd change it to something like Welcome to Yorkies World. That's what I thought I would do, something like that. Hopefully I can fit it all in, hopefully. And I was going to put it up there. So that is my plan. Whether it'll work or not, I don't know. I bought this in a shop rather than buying it online. And the one I'm going to stick a link into is from eBay, and has more colours than this. This has 6 colours, and I believe the one I'm going to stick in eBay has 14 colours and 100 letters, and this has 85 letters. So you'll be getting something better than this, hopefully anyway, because I didn't actually buy it myself. This was the last one in the shop, and they told me they won't be replacing it. They'll be getting something different. So I thought, well, it's the last one. I'll try it. I'll give it a whirl. It's out and about, you know it's like you're out and about. Oh, I like that. I'll buy it, rather than going online and thinking, oh, I could have got it cheaper, but I didn't. I just bought it. It's only a tenner, so it wasn't too bad. Well, it was £12 to be exact. It was £24 in the shop. It was a Cyber Monday, and I got it for 12. And I thought, yeah, that'd do. So hopefully it's good. It's got 6 colours. It says here, flowing colour change, flows through 6 different colours or just white. So you can just leave it on white, or it will just change colours, 6 colours. The one I'm putting in the description, it changes 14 different colours, and I'm not sure if you can fix it to one particular colour or not. I didn't read all of it, but you can have a look yourself. Like I say, it'll be in the video description for you to check it out. Just click on the link. You don't have to buy nothing. Have a look, see what you think. And if you want me to do a video on it, I will personally buy it and do a video on it. So let me know. And if you have any suggestions on what wording I could use on this, let me know in the comments as well, but try and keep it clean. I don't know swear words up there, alright, or anything rude. Something to do with my channel. At the moment it's Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. So I thought Yorkies, or Welcome to Yorkies World. I thought that sounded pretty good. So with that, I'm going to get out of the box and see what it looks like. The box, it looked like it had already been opened. I said to the shop assistant, I hope it still works. I don't have to bring it back, because I don't live nearby. She said, yeah, it works. So this is the main box itself. As an on-off switch, so it's got 2 modes. One is for just the white, and the other one is rotating colours. Oh, it's battery operated. I didn't even realise that neither. So that's probably even better, because I was thinking about running the cabling down there. I might have had to extend the cable, and I was thinking about doing all that. So I didn't even read it properly. And you can hang it on the wall. So let's see that I've got all the colours, all colours. Let's see if I've got all the letters. It says 85. Hopefully there is 85 in here. No, that doesn't look like 85. So it might be going back, which would be a pain. Oh, actually, I don't know. 4, 8 is 12 there. 24. Oh, someone's been at this, I reckon. What do you reckon? Jesus, I reckon someone's been at it. I'm going to count it, I'll get back to you. Right, it says on the box, 85 letters, numbers and symbols. I counted it as 84, so 1 short. So I'm not going to worry about that. Hopefully I've got enough letters to do what I want to do, and hopefully it'll fit in the box. So with that, I'm going to put all the lettering in. Right, so I swapped the batteries out because it wasn't too bright, and I thought it might be the battery, because there was old batteries. So I put a brand new set of batteries in there. Let's see what she looks like, if it's any brighter. So I put the white on first. That definitely looks brighter to me. It's clearer. And let's go over to the colour. I wasn't expecting anything amazing, but yeah, it's definitely brighter than with the other batteries in it. Doesn't seem to light up the bottom part of it and the very top, but I wasn't expecting nothing massive for a tenner. And I made some room already on my shelving. That looks pretty good. It's going to do the job anyway. I couldn't see the point of the screws, and then I realised that if you're doing it in a shop, people will tend to try and nick the bloody batteries. But this isn't a shop. Let's move that out of the way for you. This is Yorkie's home, and hopefully no one here is going to try and nick them. So what you about at an angle like that? Welcome to you at Yorkie's World. I wanted welcome to Yorkie's World, but the lettering won't fit, or it will, but then there's no spacing, so I thought I'd do that. Or have it straight like that. Set it back a bit. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think, whether you like it or not, whether you think it's worth doing. And if you have any suggestions on the wording, please post them in the comments, but keep it clean. I know we choose a lot of light. Keep it clean, because I won't be using them anyway otherwise. And let me know what you think. If you like this, if you think it's a good idea. Should I have it straight? Should I have it at an angle like that? Or should I just not bother? I quite like it. I think it looks alright. It's not covering everything that I thought it would do, but it's good enough. Like I said, it cost me £12. And it was the last one in the shop, and I thought, yeah, and you's out and about, you know what it's like, you're out and about, oh yeah, I'll have that, I'll buy that. I'm not going to do any searching for it, I'm just going to buy it. But now I've done a bit of searching, you can get them on eBay, cheaper than that, tenner, with more lettering and more colours. Welcome at Yorkie's World. I think it looks alright. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.